a question about salat.
Okay.
So I have actually waswas in salat, Sheikh. So when I recite the Surah Fateha in Fard Salah, only Fard Salah, I repeat verses every time. So it happens in 9 out of 10 salats every day. So if I ignore this waswas and just go on with the and just recite the surah once, and if there is any mistake in it, so will my prayer be valid?
Okay.
Sheikh? And same happens with tashahud.
Okay, I will answer you, inshallah. Mahdi has a problem that a lot of the Muslims suffer from. And why do Muslims suffer from it? Simply because shaitan is setting them up. Shaitan is preparing them so that he would confuse them, depress them, and eventually make them leave salat altogether. So many people get these OCDs and they don't treat it on time. It escalates, it becomes chronic, and eventually they become despair. And they say, what's the use? We're going to hell because Allah will not accept our prayers. So they leave the salat altogether. To shaitan, to Satan, this is mission accomplished. This is my prerogative. This is my objective. This is what I wanted. And it happened. Now the weird thing is, and the funny thing is, all those who suffer from such whispers, they come and confess, I get this waswas. I get these whispers. And you say, whoa, you know these are whispers? He said, yes. Who are they from? He says, shaitan. Subhanallah. How do you accept your enemy to do whatever he wants and you do it willingly? Let's say your most fierce enemy comes to you with a mug. You know that he killed your parents and raped your sister and took your money and put you in jail and did all heinous things. He wants your demise. He wants your death. And he comes to you with a mug and he says, drink this, my friend. It's very good for you. Will you drink it? He says, no. Why? He says, Sheikh, he's my enemy. I know that he's poisoned it, or at least there is something bad going to happen to me. He says, subhanallah, that's good. Why then, when shaitan comes to you with these whispers, you repeat these verses over and over and over again, or you repeat the wudu 10 times? Who's making you do this? Immediately they say, shaitan. So, okay, why are you replying to him and doing what he's telling you to, when you know that he's your enemy? They say, well, we're afraid maybe I did not do the wudu correctly. Maybe I did the mistake in reciting the fateha. Akhi, I've said this so many times, and it's on my YouTube all the time. If you watch my series on al-Hakeem, which is very beneficial and is free, it's on YouTube, you will benefit tremendously with the grace of Allah. The rule of certainty is not affected by doubt. This, what I'm wearing on my head, is it pure or najis? The default, it's pure. Maybe one of my grandchildren touched it with soiled hands. Maybe a mouse came and urinated and left. I don't know, maybe. So would I allow this doubt to jeopardize certainty? Of course not. What's certain is certain. So likewise, you performed wudu, but maybe a sheikh, I didn't. No, you have to be crazy to think like this. The default is you've done wudu, everything is washed. You didn't miss anything. So if you go with this whisper, you'll go down the drain. And you are entering a rabbit hole. You'll never know where you'll end. But if you abide by Islam, if you trust Allah and be positive and say, nope, I know this is my enemy, I'm not gonna give in. Even if there is a possibility, the possibility does not rise up to be certainty. So I'll go with what is certain. I recited the Fatiha and I have no reasons to doubt it. I don't recall making a mistake, so I'll move on. If you push yourself, acknowledge the fact that Allah will not hold you accountable. Because if you made a mistake, Allah forgives it. If you done an error, Allah forgives it. If you forgot something, Allah forgives it. If you acknowledge this and you think positively of Allah, you are safe and in good hands, inshallah.